Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to another beautiful English story. Today's story is again about patience, but this time it is deeper, more emotional, and more powerful. This story will teach you why life tests us, how patience changes our future, why we should never lose hope. So sit comfortably, relax, and listen carefully. The story begins in a quiet town. There lived a young girl named Lila. Lila was very kind. She always helped others. She always smiled. But inside, she was not happy. Her family was very poor. Her mother was sick. Her father worked all day but earned very little. Every night, Lila looked at the sky and said, when will my life change? A big responsibility. Lila was only 16 years old, but she had many responsibilities. She cooked food, she cleaned the house, she took care of her mother, and still she went to school. Sometimes she felt very tired. I am too tired. I want to rest. But she continued because she had a dream. Lila wanted to become a doctor. She wanted to help her mother. She wanted to help poor people. But everyone around her said, it is impossible. You are too poor. Dreams are not for people like you. These words hurt her deeply. She cried silently at night. The breaking point. One day, her mother became very sick. They needed money for medicine. Lila had to make a difficult decision. She stopped going to school. Maybe my dream is over. Maybe this is my life. She felt lost. She felt empty. Days became weeks. Lila started working in a small shop. The work was long and tiring. Every time she saw students going to school, her heart broke. That was my dream, that was my life. But still, she kept working. A small hope. One evening, an old woman came to the shop. The woman looked at Lila and asked, why do you look so sad? Lila tried to smile, but she couldn't. She told her story. The old woman listened quietly. Then she said, your story is not finished yet. Life tests strong people. Be patient. Your time will come. A new beginning. Those words touched Lila's heart. That night she thought deeply. Can I try again? Is it too late? Then she said, no, I will not give up. The struggle again. Leela started studying again, but this time it was harder. She worked all day and studied at night. Sometimes she fell asleep on her books. Sometimes she felt like quitting. But she remembered, be patient. The long wait. Months passed. Lila improved slowly. She did not become perfect in one day. She made mistakes. She failed many times. But she did not stop. Step by step, day by day, the change. One day something amazing happened. Lila got a chance. A teacher noticed her hard work. He helped her get a scholarship. Now she could study again. She cried, but this time tears of joy. Thank you. I will not waste this chance. The success. Years later, Lila became a doctor. Yes, the same girl who almost gave up. The same girl who was told it is impossible. Now she was helping people every day. He took care of her mother. He gave free treatment to poor people. The truth. One day a student asked her, how did you become successful? Lila smiled and said, I did not become successful in one day. I failed, I cried, I struggled, but I was patient. Remember these lessons. Hard times do not last forever. Patience changes everything. Small steps lead to big success. Never listen to negative people. Your situation today is not your future. Keep going, even if it is slow. Daily English practice. Repeat these sentences. I will keep trying. I am strong. I believe in my dream. I will be patient. One day I will succeed. I will not stop. If you are struggling right now, if you feel tired, If you feel like giving up, listen carefully. This is not the end of your story. Your story is still being written. Thank you for watching this story. If you learned something, practice English daily. Stay patient and believe in yourself. See you in the next story.